Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can draw on Roblox. There's a few games where you can draw on Roblox. Just select draw in the gaming search section. There's speed draw, there's free draw where you can just like draw. There's draw and switch, which is one of my favorite games. It's so fun to draw with your friends or even with randoms. I'll do like speed draw right now, but you're just going to play a game here. I'll do 3 minutes. Yes. And then you basically just select a pencil and then kind of select a color wheel and just draw a snake, or I think it is the theme right now. And I'm just going to quickly draw one. I'm trying to draw like super quick. How do I like draw this colorful snake with stripes? I only have 2 minutes. But you're just going to basically draw a snake. I'm just trying to make like this super quick. That's why it doesn't look the best. But obviously you're going to draw better than me. Let me just add a little eye here. And then a tongue. There. Okay, well obviously you do it better than mine, but that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.